Hi guys, lots of students asking me why iPhone. Okay, I'll answer that question why I'm giving me an iPhone. So look at the day one of that. Yesterday I launched that contest, and this is the message I got at 4 p.m. Till now completed 211 questions from logic based DI 45 sets started yesterday night. So the day she got the message that I'm gifting you iPhone and she have done this much. So look at that way, look at the motivation. So this is a kind of a rekindling the efforts, because I can feel the motivation level is going down among a lot of students. So that's why iPhone. Okay, so this is this is not a fake iPhone. I was seeing that in the comment as well. Someone said this is a refurbished this and that. So I'm giving you the Vijay sale car seat as well. So Palm Beach Galleria Vashi. Yesterday I went there on Seating Education Private Limited. My name and total amount 5499. डेट किधर है? डेट नहीं दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. 11th of 1st of November. So the benefit I can see that one iPhone. Look at the motivation. I'm getting messages since morning. Okay, sir, it is helping me to study more. That's it. That's the main agenda, to make you study more. Because this is something I'm feeling here. Confidence level, the motivation level is going down. For a CAT student, this I see every area. And giveaway is one way. And student only, I got this idea from the students only otherwise और कहाँ से idea आएगा? Yeah, I've seen the CAT का motivation level going down. So if this iPhone can motivate you people for the CAT 2020, the thing can be, this is a very small gift, trust me. If I can motivate my student that way. Same way for CET 21. CET 21 student, दे आर इन द लल फेज, एकदम बिंदास टाइम पास. दिवाली ख़त्म होगा, दिवाली के बाद थोड़ा बहुत जागेंगे. नवंबर चला गया, दिसंबर चला गया, दिसंबर एंड में आके द स्टार्टिंग गोइंग अप. एंड जनवरी 1, if you start looking at CET for targeting Bajaj, I'm sorry, it will be too late. So if you can make study hard for the next 1 week, this is a very small gift for that. Same way for CAT 21. Anyone who have prepared for the next year CAT, last year those who have prepared for CAT 2020 for this year, पूरा साल टाइम पास किया था यार. If this one phone can set a pace, can make up a routine for you, this is very small gift for that, for all these things. Plus, if you can get that much motivated by one phone, imagine other way around here. This year CAT snap all the exams, if I combined all the exams together, 5,000 students are going to get a package of 20 lakh plus. 10,000 students are going to get a package of 12 lakh plus, and 15,000 students are going to get a package of 8 to 9 lakh plus. Just imagine yaar, if this can work you, make you work hard, you can reach this target. You can buy a iPhone 12 Max yaar. Every year you can buy a new phone. So this is to motivate you. And now if I compare, I am giving away one iPhone. IIMS, SP Jain, FMS, IIT Bombay, Jamal Bajaj, SIBM, all these colleges are giving away 5,000 seats. Together if I combine them, 6,000 seats are they are giving away. So they're giving away 6 iPhone. One of you will win the phone यार. That's the main problem for me. And this is going to be, यार मैंने मग दी यार, उसको लेके गाली गलोच हो गया. I have got messages from students saying that you have favored some students, you are given iPhone to that guy, why not me, why this guy. यार पब्लिक 500 रुपये के मग के लिए इतना कर रहा है, आईफोन के लिए गाली गलोच तो होगा ही होगा. सो simple, if this small thing can motivate you people, can bring in a routine into your life for the next 30 days, this is very small gift. So एक उल्टा तुम बोलो यार, सर मेरे को नहीं चाहिए फ़ोन, आई वॉन्ट दिस, मेरे को वापस दे दो फ़ोन, चलेगा मुझे. मोर देन हैप्पी. एनीवे, जोक्स अपार्ट, सो आई एम गिविंग वन phone away. That's my promise to you. Phone will be given to you, one of the students only, and he or she will be the part of the WhatsApp group, yeah, or Telegram group. So Telegram group, if you not yet joined, Telegram group and WhatsApp group ka links is given here. You can just join any of the groups. Okay. So what is the task to be done? So go to cetaking.com/weekly. cetaking.com/weekly. So this is my weekly target for all the students for CAT 2020, CET 21 and CAT 21 for all the 3 students, CET and CAT 21. So all the students, I've given you the week's target. You have to do as many number of questions out of that. For example, today is a DILR, DI logic based. So do as many questions as you can from wherever you want to do. Yeah, this source is not important. Yeah, doing the question is more important. Tomorrow we have RCs. Wednesday we have one topic. Thursday we have another topic. So I was thinking 100 question average person can do. So 100 into 7, 1 week challenge, 700 questions have to be done. In fact, I'm getting a call from student कि सर आप इसको 2 weeks कर दो challenge और till cat कर दो यार. I think till cat will be too big challenge यार. So Diwali tak we can do. So you can tell me in the comment box whether you want me to increase the challenge. So it can be a 7 days challenge or it can be challenge till Diwali. So it can be a Diwali gift for me to the student, one student. But for rest of you, it can bring a routine to your life यार. और क्या चाहिए? One more student have just pinged me कि सर इसको मैंने सबको दिखाया जब ये in my today's lecture I show this to everyone कि 2-on-1 question किया अभी तक 45 sets. So that guy said, sir, today my target is to sleep after solving 50 sets. Imagine yaar, in one day if you can do 200 questions, 7 days you can cover up 1400 questions. In next 1 month you are done with the CAT preparation यार. Cut off निकल सकता है CAT का. And that's always my target. Clear the cut off. Get the IM call. Yeah. And trust me yaar, if one mobile phone can do that much damage, that much hard work to everyone, I don't mind gifting a one phone every month. Yeah. So rather than looking at this one phone, this is one giveaway. Look at the 6,000 seats which are up for grab in all the IIMs, SPGen, FMS, Jamal Bajaj, IFT, all the colleges. And all these colleges have an average salary of 20 lakhs. You can buy a iPhone Max yaar. iPhone 12 Max. All the best. So go to the link ceating.com/weekly, complete the target. So send me your number of questions you've done. So I believe 1000 plus is going to be a good number for week's target. And if you say to increase the target till Diwali, I think the number can touch 2000 also. Okay, so anyone who crosses 2000, suppose 5 student crosses 2000. So in that case, I will do the lucky draw. Yeah, and give the phone to the lucky draw. but क्या कर सकते हैं अगर 5 लोगों ने क्रॉस कर लिया टारगेट, so it can be lucky draw in that case. Okay, all the best. So you don't need to send your everyday updates to me. You just send me. If you do something big, please do send me. I can share with other people as well. But send me at the end of the task. End of the day, just call us on any of the numbers given on CETing site. Yeah. Or the numbers given in the description box. How many questions you've done? 1200, 1300, 1500, 1800. So the top 5, I will do the lucky draw. Yeah. ये छोटी सी चीज़ है यार. Trust me, this iPhone is a very small thing just to keep you motivated. I have got at least 10 messages from the people whom I don't even know saying that sir I'm up for the challenge और ये फ़ोन मैं जीत के दिखाऊंगा. It works both ways. Some have said sir I'm working for the phone. Some of them said sir I'm working for the MBA. Phone is an immaterial thing for me. But if it is helping me to convert the IM call or to get an IM call, obviously nothing is better than that, of course. So this iPhone 11 is for the preparation, and then I'm going to gift iPad to the student who score the maximum marks in CAT exam. So I'm going to gift him iPad in CAT 2020 score. That will be in Jan. This is in November. All the best.